Hi there. This video I'm going to show you Columns AI plugin. I call this plugin visualize whatever you see. Basically, is a browser plugin help you to identify the structured data, whatever Columns AI can analyze and deliver beautiful visualization and story for you. So, for example, like I navigate the web page, I click this plugin. It show you what is the recommendation, what it can do. Since it cannot detect any available data here, they just like tell you what you are going to do. But if I open Google spreadsheets, for example, this data it has some fake data like GDP for each state in US. When I click the plugin this time, it will show you the available action. It says make a data story for this Google spreadsheets. So if you click it, it will automatically extracting the Google spreadsheet ID and just like importing the data for you. By default, it just captures the title as data name, and you can input any description and just check the sample data here. No matter, I mean, how big the spreadsheet is, it could be millions of rows. I mean, it's not a problem. So you import it, it will automatically navigate you into a visualizer. The visualizer basically is loading the data from your Google spreadsheets, distributed cloud infrastructure and providing the query engines to query it for you. Here, using the value as a key, definitely I want to aggregate on value. So I want to delete it. I want to select a state. This is a very simple data set. I only have 2 columns. So I want using state as my key, and P10 is percentile at the 10% value for each state. But basically, I only have one entry for each state. Though this is just a single value. So I probably want to take some value, assuming we have multiple data points. We want to aggregate by state. So after you select all the metrics and the case you have, it automatically showing you the bar chart. Here in the visual type, I can choose anything else. For example, I can choose column. Here I can just show different number of top values I have. I can sort him by my metric, which is the GDP. Here I want to drop some annotations like explain what I found, right? I mean, this is very simple. So let's say Texas has largest GDP. And I want to make it larger. Let's say 25. The color I want it a little more attentional. I can choose flash red, move it around to the positions I like. And if you want to, you're done. You can just save it as a story. We can see that, but here I can show you some other. Let's see if there's any other interesting visual type. Maybe map. Oh yeah, map will show you a state map and with all the values in some scale. So you can remove number of items. All right. For example, if I just want to save this, I can say my data works. Right. This is my name, and if I save visual, it's basically just go into my gallery. But if I save a story, it will publish the visual as a single web page that then you can share with whoever, right? So I can save it. Oh, there's a bug. It's jumping back to, yeah, I'm going to fix it. This is the plugin is in development phase. So before we publish it in the store, we're going to fix all these things. But anyways, I can go to story page and I can find out the things I just saved. See here, this is a story of my DataWorks. Right now it's private, but if I really want to share it publicly, I can just turn it on, like sharing. Otherwise, by default, it's private. I can copy the link. This is on my local machine dev server. I can just replace it with the columns. It shares the same backend database, so it should be showing up. As you can see, yeah, the size of the chart should be a little bit uh, higher, so you can display full. But anyways, this is like shareable. I can, you can send this link to anybody else. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.